how to fix Discord not opening on your Mac. So if you've tried opening your Discord app and it's just been loading and not actually opening up, then there's a couple things you can do to fix this. So the first thing I'd suggest is clearing your cache. So to do this, you need to go into Finder and then go to Go, down to Folder, and then you need to type this in. I'll put it in the description so you can copy it from there. So now you need to press Enter, and from here you can go to Edit, Select All, File, Move to Bin. Now go to your bin, right click on that and empty the bin. Press Continue. So the next thing you can try is go to the top left corner of your screen, press on the Apple logo, press Restart, and then restart your MacBook. If it's still not working, go to Finder, go in the search bar and type in Discord. Now you'll need to right click on Discord and move to bin. Now go down to your bin, right click on that and empty bin. So now you'll need to reinstall Discord and it should be working. Thank you for watching the video. Let me know down in the comments if this helped.